This Coldwell Banker Advantage property video is presented by Christine Rank. Whether you're looking for a full-time home or that perfect recreational retreat, look no further than this furnished, turnkey one-level ranch. Cute and cozy with spacious living room, enclosed front porch, bright eat-in kitchen, 2 bedrooms, laundry and lots of closets. Seller just had a new furnace installed. There is an attached 1-car garage and 2 sheds for lots of storage. Perfect rural location situated on a .70+/acre lot a few miles from town and a few blocks from big Roche Acre State Park. You can ATV or snowmobile right from your property. Castle Rock Lake, Petenwell and many other lakes are a short drive away. Near championship golf courses and the famous Wisconsin Dells. Peace and tranquility abound in this awesome year-round recreational area. For more information